Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little house tour and show you guys kind of like my renovation plans. I'm starting off at the front door because stuff on the outside of this home has to be approved to be changed, and we are finally getting a new front door color. I am so excited about it. So I will share the new front door color with you when they're finished painting it. We're coming back inside. Some of you guys may remember this entryway. I do plan on changing that little accent color in the entryway. I want to go for something a little bit more bold and less neutral here. I am going to keep this little console here because I feel like it fits perfectly. I actually just picked that up, but I'll probably put like a mirror and style this a little bit differently. But I'm excited to share with you guys the new color that I'm choosing for the accent because I'm going for like more of a bold look here instead of the neutrals. And then moving on to this bathroom, I get so many questions about this bathroom and if everything held up, especially the peel and stick tile. I would definitely recommend this. I will link it again down below. I actually ended up renting this house out for a year, and there were a few people living here and they all used this bathroom, and everything still held up really nicely in here. So definitely would recommend this. I have a whole video on the makeover I did in this bathroom. I am going to switch it up a little bit, but I'll try and link the original video of how I made it look like this in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Now I'm going to take you guys up into the master bedroom, which this is probably going to be my favorite project of all to work on in this room. But I did want to say a huge thank you to Lol for sponsoring today's video and sending over a mattress as well as a bed frame. So if you guys didn't know, I have had a Lol mattress since pretty much Lol like came out, and I absolutely love their mattresses. They are seriously so comfortable. They're like the perfect mix of like comfort and support. And this bed frame was also so simple to put together. I did have my brother help me, but it probably took us all together like 5 to 10 minutes with 2 people to get this whole thing assembled, which was great. And Lol actually offers a lifetime warranty and a 365 night stress-free trial, free shipping, and they also have easy returns. So it's really great that they back their products like that. So as you can see here, we set up the bed frame, and then I went ahead and put on the mattress. I actually was able to unbox the mattress on my own, which is crazy. Usually that's not always the case, but the Lol mattresses are super easy to like handle and get on the bed frame all by yourself, which is also amazing, especially because this one's a king and I was able to fully get this on here by myself. And this is actually the premium Lol mattress, which I laid on it after putting it all up together. Let me just tell you, it is seriously so comfortable. Like, I'm so excited to have this in here. Also, along with like the bases for the mattresses and the mattress, they have like really awesome pillows and like duvets and sheets. So if you guys are in the market for like a whole package of new bedding and you just want to feel like super luxurious when you're sleeping, definitely would recommend checking out Lol. And they're being kind enough to give you guys $300 off any size Lol mattress. So be sure to check the description box down below for that. Right, and then moving on to the kitchen, I'm probably not going to change much here. The only investment I might make, other than everything that I already did, there's also a kitchen makeover video on my channel if you guys want to check it out. This backsplash was the peel and stick backsplash, and as you can see, it's kind of like coming off after a year of being on the wall. I do have extras, but I'm either going to spend a little bit more money and get like a higher quality peel and stick backsplash, or I may invest the money, since I already did get like really nice floors and I did get the nicer countertops, might go ahead and just invest that money in getting a stone backsplash. But I'm not sure yet. I still want to try one more peel and stick company to see if it works out a little bit better. All right, and then moving on to one of the bedrooms. This is the smaller of the 2 secondary bedrooms. The other bedroom I showed you is the master. So not exactly too sure what I want to do with this room yet. I know I do want to paint the closet trim and make it match that ceiling fan. I think just that change alone will look a little bit better, but be on the lookout for like a small bedroom makeover because that is what I'm going to do in here. And I do want to repaint. If you guys notice, like we painted the whole house like white, and I feel like the walls look blue now, so not sure what was going on with the paint that I used. Definitely need to get a different brand. And then this is one of the other bathrooms. I really love like the detailing on this. My dad actually put in the little tiling back there himself, and I love the details. So that's definitely something I don't want to change. You know, certain things that my dad did, I want to leave how they were. I probably would just change the light fixture in this bathroom and then like do some really nice like higher end decor. And then this is the look downstairs, like the view, I guess you could say, from upstairs downstairs. One of the main things I want to change is that flooring down there, but it's going to cost so much money. It's definitely something I'll put off for a while, but I do want to switch out the chandelier. But as you can see, it is so high up. It has always been such a chore to like change it, so that might or may not get done. And then just taking you guys outside. Outside is probably going to get the biggest like renovation. So this is just the balcony that's like off the master. I'll do a small balcony makeover as well coming up. But I'm just kind of like creating, I think, a little seating area here right out of like the back door. Those chairs like fit there perfectly. And then that little planter holder, I'm gonna get like a big plant and a nice like big tree just to kind of like be in this area. I feel like that's all I'm gonna do. The backyard needs so much work. So before the last people that were living here moved in, my grandpa helped me fix the backyard, and all of the backyard, like all of this area you're looking at here, was like perfectly green and beautiful. Unfortunately, the people that were living here never went in the backyard, so they never watered, and this is what we are left with a year later. Everything is unfortunately like dead and just needs so much work. So I'm gonna take all of that out and make it more of like a desert vibe with like cacti and stuff, so it's a little bit more low maintenance and doesn't require a ton of watering if the people who end up renting it next don't go outside that much. And then we have a beautiful like custom made outdoor set that is coming, so you guys will get a really nice fun backyard makeover here. And last but not least, this is the master bathroom, and it's probably one of my favorite parts of the house because the bathroom is huge and it has honestly so much potential. Like imagine if you took out this tub and put one of those like modern looking tubs in here, like how perfect this would look. I think to save money, I will probably show you guys another like DIY bathroom makeover in here, so be on the lookout for that. But I just wanted to share with you guys a fun little house tour so you guys can see like what the renovation plans are and what to look out for on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.